heat it up right here. Then I'm going to take some pliers, I'm going to try to bend it out. And then I'm going to use these quick grips and I'm going to hold it in position while it cools. And best case it comes out, worst case it doesn't. It's going to be in better shape than what I have now, so I'm okay with either outcome. Okay, so you can see right there, I've got the 2 clamps on there, and I'm going to let it sit overnight, and if I have time tomorrow, I'll see if I can get that front bumper off and install the club lid. Okay, now the bumper has been removed. You can see right here it is riveted on. There's like 4 rivet nuts. Here's the bottom side. I'm going to attempt to drill them out and see if they come out that way. Okay, I finally broke one of them. And the way to break them, for me, after drilling them out, I just took this tool and I cut the riv nut. And it is removed. It wasn't too bad. Now the other side. Okay, time for the fun part. It looks like Mazda was nice enough to give us crosshairs with circles around them. And those are going to be the holes. That's where the holes are going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and match the lip up with the crosshairs, drill a hole, and get this thing mounted. Okay, after battling with the screws, I finally got the test fitted here. Not perfect. You can see some gaps right there and there. There's another one right there. But looks good to me. I'm going to go ahead and reassemble the bumper. it.